Living in Clearwater, Florida, offers stunning coastal views and a vibrant community, but it also means preparing your home for the challenges of tropical storms and hurricanes. One of the most effective ways to protect your home and family is by installing impact-resistant windows. These specialized windows provide unparalleled safety and peace of mind, making them an essential investment for Clearwater homeowners. Here's how impact-resistant windows can safeguard your home while offering additional benefits. Protection from extreme weather. Clearwater's location on the Gulf Coast makes it vulnerable to tropical storms and hurricanes, which bring high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain. Standard windows are often the weakest link in your home's defense during these events, but impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand severe weather conditions. Shatter-resistant glass. Impact windows feature laminated glass made of 2 layers bonded together with a durable interlayer. This design prevents the glass from shattering, even when struck by debris. Reinforced frames. The frames of impact-resistant windows are made from strong materials like aluminum, vinyl, or fiberglass, ensuring they stay intact during extreme winds. Water resistance. These windows are sealed to prevent water infiltration, protecting your home from potential damage caused by rain or storm surges. By withstanding winds up to 200 miles per hour and flying debris, impact-resistant windows offer critical protection during Clearwater's hurricane season. Enhanced security for your home. Impact-resistant windows do more than protect against weather. They also add a layer of security to your home. The same strength that makes them resistant to storm damage also makes them difficult for intruders to break through. Deters break-ins. Laminated glass doesn't shatter easily, making it tough for burglars to gain access. Reinforced frames. Strong frames and locks provide additional resistance against forced entry. Round-the-clock protection. Unlike storm shutters, impact-resistant windows protect your home at all times without the need for installation or removal. This built-in security feature gives Clearwater homeowners peace of mind, whether they're at home or away. Noise reduction for a more comfortable home. Living in a vibrant area like Clearwater means dealing with outdoor noise, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or nearby activities. Impact-resistant windows can help create a quieter and more serene indoor environment. Soundproofing benefits. The laminated glass and tight seals of impact windows reduce outside noise significantly, providing a calm and comfortable living space. Perfect for busy areas. Homes near busy roads, schools, or urban centers benefit the most from this noise reduction feature. With impact-resistant windows, you can enjoy your Clearwater home without the constant intrusion of outside noise. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Impact-resistant windows aren't just about safety, they're also an excellent way to improve your home's energy efficiency. In Clearwater's hot and humid climate, energy-efficient windows can make a big difference in your monthly utility bills. Low E coatings. Many impact-resistant windows come with low emissivity coatings that reflect heat and block harmful UV rays, keeping your home cooler. Insulated glass. Double or triple pane designs with insulating gas fill reduce heat transfer, improving indoor comfort and lowering air conditioning usage. Year-round savings. By reducing your energy consumption, Impact windows help cut costs while contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Investing in energy-efficient impact windows is a win-win for your wallet and the environment. UV protection for your home. Clearwater's abundant sunshine can cause long-term damage to your furniture, flooring, and other home interiors. Impact-resistant windows with UV protection reduce this risk significantly. Blocks harmful rays. These windows block up to 99% of UV rays, preventing fading and discoloration of your belongings. Preserves home interiors. Protecting your furnishings extends their lifespan and maintains the aesthetic appeal of your home. By installing impact-resistant windows, you safeguard both the structure and contents of your home. Increased home value and insurance benefit. Impact-resistant windows are a valuable upgrade that can increase your home's resale value while potentially lowering your insurance premiums. Attractive to buyers. Homes equipped with hurricane-rated windows are more appealing to potential buyers, especially in hurricane-prone areas like Clearwater. Insurance discounts. Many insurance providers offer discounts to homeowners who install impact-resistant windows, recognizing the reduced risk of storm damage. Long-term investment. While the initial cost of impact windows may be higher, the added home value and reduced insurance costs make them a smart investment. These financial benefits make impact-resistant windows a practical choice for Clearwater homeowners. Conclusion. Installing impact-resistant windows in your Clearwater home is one of the most effective ways to protect your property, enhance security, and increase comfort. From shielding your home during hurricane season to improving energy efficiency and reducing noise, these windows provide unmatched value and peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater to explore your options. With impact-resistant windows, you can enjoy the beauty of coastal living while staying safe, secure, and comfortable year-round.